And welcome to Going to Work with Gena, which is an inspiremercial for STEM students. I am Dr. Gena Henderson. STEM students, this morning I want to talk to you about teaching coding. So I want to go over some things on how I'm actually going to teach it to you. So yesterday we left off with this line where we talked about how high programming level language goes into the computer, and then computer, which has a compiler processor, is actually going to turn it into binary code, which is machine code. And from that machine code, we get execution, okay? So what is programming? Programming is telling the computer to do things. It's actually building a process or a set of instructions. So we're going to give the computer a set of instructions, and the computer is going to convert those instructions into binary code, okay? Now, in order to convert those words, the computer has a compiler in it. So what the compiler does is take that high level programming source code and it turns it into the machine code, which we actually see with the zeros and the ones, okay? Now, remember we talked yesterday about how the machine code has an electric current that goes through it that creates a path. And that's how things are executed. When I say execution, what I mean is that's how you are able to see the results of what's actually happening. And those results will come in through adding numbers. It depends on what your set of instructions were. So it can search words. It can light up things. So what I want to do, the plan is to provide talk-throughs. Okay, I'm going to talk you through what I want you to learn. We're going to do it step by step, and then there are going to be some coding challenges. And what you're going to have to do in order to understand these things, you're going to have to practice, practice, practice. Now, one of the things I'm going to do is I'm going to teach you how to do conditionals, loops, arrays, variables, all of those kind of things, because those things are the standard things. What complicates programming languages is the high-level programming languages. It depends if you're in C, C++, C#, Java, Python, JavaScript, Ruby. So all of these high-level programming languages have interpreters that are actually built in to the system, all right? So what we're going to do, the first step we're going to do, once we come up with the set of instructions, is we're going to actually download Python. Okay, so I have chosen Python to be the language that we're actually going to start with because Python is a lot easier. Okay, so I want to thank you for going to work with Gena today. If there are any infomercials that you have missed, please don't hesitate to go to YouTube, Going to Work with Gena. Okay, thank you.